In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDF via Gmail. We'll go through the process from opening your inbox all the way to sending the message. And it's actually very simple once you know where everything is. If you need to share a document like a form, report, invoice, or any other PDF file, Gmail makes it quick and easy. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can send the email from the address you want to use. Once your inbox is open, look for the Compose button, usually on the left-hand side of the screen, and click it. This will open a new email window where you can build your message. Next, look at the bottom row of options in the Compose window and click the Attach icon. This is the paperclip symbol, and it's what you use to add files from your device. After clicking it, a file browser window will open. From there, locate the PDF you want to send and select it from your device. Once you choose the file, Gmail will begin uploading it automatically. It's a good idea to wait until the upload finishes completely before moving on, so you know the file has been attached properly. Now click into the To field and enter the recipient or recipients you want to send the PDF to. Be careful when typing email addresses, especially if you're sending something important, because even a small typo can send the message to the wrong person. After that, click into the subject line and enter your subject. Try to make it clear and relevant so the recipient immediately understands what the email is about. A simple, direct subject line works best. Then click into the body of the email and add your email text. This is where you can briefly explain what the PDF is, why you're sending it, or what the recipient should do with it. Keep your message polite and easy to understand. Even a short note can make your email feel more professional and helpful. Once everything looks good, click send. Your email, along with the attached PDF, will be sent to the recipient. Before sending, it's always worth doing one quick final check. Confirm the right PDF is attached, the recipient is correct, and the subject and message are complete. That small review can help prevent mistakes and save time later, and that's how to send a PDF via Gmail.